I hear that.
Greetings.
That's fair. All right. Do you want to basketball?
My name is William Von Oss, and this is a weather report from KTRV Public Access. We have a satellite feed to the Starry Plow and Sarah Jane's Improv Night in California, Berkeley. And as always, we are tuning in from the lovely Sunnyvale. It is always sunny in Sunnyvale, as we know. We pay for it to be that way. We pay for it to be our way. That's the way it is in Sunnyvale. What is the water forecast, you may ask? Well, we just go to the beach for that. Everything else we have imported from a rainforest up north. That's the way we do it here. Now, what is the global climate these days? Hot and cold. Extreme temperature. Much like begging for attention but not wanting to be touched. Bullying being tolerated and social anxiety being medicated. War constantly being waged to prevent war, which is kind of like screwing for virginity. We have so much freedom that we beg for boundaries. Feel so enslaved that we long to be free. That's in here. But don't look in there. Look at me! Look at me! And the history I tell you. The education I set. The books I sell. The media I create. The culture I appropriate. The social cues I set. The workflow I cue. The sexual identity I allow. In my house. Because I set the climate. And in my house, the climate is always fine. For me. William Von Oss.